Is this too close? I don't know. Is that good? I don't know. Like that there. So my oatmeal is ready. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rifki. So if it's a little echoey in here, it's because I'm in my bathroom, and that's because for this episode of the apartment redesign series, we're going to be focusing on the bathroom design. Now this is probably going to be the most challenging one to do, especially if I'm going to be hand rendering it, and so I might change some things up. The fixtures are going to be really important in this design because that's what will really define this bathroom as industrial. Now, I don't want to be right on the nose with the industrial and having everything be like the copper pipe and the elbow connectors and all that stuff. It's definitely going to be some warm tones, but some cool tones, and a lot of natural cut materials such as concrete and ceramic tile and wood, and so just elements like that which really bring out that sense of industrial is what we're going to be honing in on and focusing for this bathroom design. So I'm excited to see, let's hop right in, let's get started. The first thing I wanted to do was look at some tile and see what was out there, if they had any sort of industrial style type tile, or would I have to rely on materials. So next I started to sketch out some things to see what they would look like in the space. I was trying to figure out what my cabinetry style would look like, where I wanted to place my fixtures, whether they be coming out the wall or on top of the vanity sink, and like what kind of mirror, what kind of shower. So all those things I tried to sketch out first just to see what would like be in my head, and then like look for the materials and those sort of fittings later. So I just need to quickly explain that this is an AutoCAD drawing that I did, and based off of my sketches, the point of view that you're looking at is towards the shower and the vanity sink and the door. The bathtub, I decided to switch the toilet and the shower around so that I can actually have a nice freestanding bathtub, like right here, and move the toilet over here, and it can have its own sort of wall privacy there. Okay, so I completely rearranged the bathroom, and it's a lot going on, but so I'm like doing everything in AutoCAD to make sure it's actually realistic and applicable to the apartment. Is the freestanding tub, and I didn't choose the clawfoot option because I felt like that was just a little too French and vintage, but I chose this option. So here's another photo showing the base. It's really nice. Oh, that is weird. And so this is the tub from the top down, plan view. And so I moved that over here into this area above the window. So you can be in the tub and really just enjoy that scenery outside. So for this portion of the video, I decided to digitally render the bathroom design, and I'm showing you guys both perspective drawings as it was time-lapsed when I was drawing them in my iPad. on a program called Procreate, which I use quite often. I tried my best to make the materials as realistic as possible, including reflections and mirrors and highlights and shadowing. So I had a lot of fun creating both of these perspective drawings, and I hope you guys enjoy this modern industrial design, or more so natural industrial design. So here are the before photos, and then I'm going to show you the afters. Watching this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing the process and going through, what we've selected, and I hope you also like how the bathroom design turned out. Make sure you like and subscribe. Comment below industrial if you want to be entered into the giveaway. You also have to be subscribed and like the video. If you want virtual design services, I also have my Fiverr link below in the description, so check that out. And see what available packages that I have. My business website is also linked below for those of you who are local, Maryland and DC area. So, go check that out. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Check out the giveaway. Watch the last video to find out what the giveaway is. Go ahead, watch the one before. Stop this video right now and go watch the one before. No, don't stop this video. Finish this video, then go watch the other one.